start off by cutting the strawberries into thin slices so they can dry easily. I bought a dehydrator. They usually take about 6 hours to completely dry out. It all depends on how many layers you have in the dehydrator at once. This is my first time using MAS Epoxies Art Pro. It has a longer working time, so I'm able to get more done in one pour rather than rushing to try and get everything done before the resin starts to cure. This is my first attempt at trying to do a marble effect by swirling in 2 different colors, mixing the resin not all the way so you can see the strokes, and then pouring it as the background color. You can see some of the effects, but mostly the colors started to merge together. As you can see, they just turned out pink. There's really no marble effect, so that was a failed attempt. I'll have to give that another try. I think the pink I used didn't have enough contrast in it. Again, that was MAS Epoxies Art Pro resin. They have a bunch of different types depending on what project you're working on.